kawachako en ni jagoro mgiore migao mari takwe Dr. Raymond Omollo ogolo siem ne kembe mag modhi kod mauto matayo ohala margi tok chik ni piny owacho dhi kawo negi okenge mag chik. Kinde romo mane okelo kanyakla duol mar EPRA, johala mag modhi, duol mar KRA kod mag jokanyo mamoko, Dr. Omollo koni nitiere kembe matayo ohala go kata bang' remido lesen mopuodhi kod piny owacho. Direkta mar modhi kod gas Edward Kinyo koni gibiro makore kod okwach kich kod bede piny owacho mamoko mondo luoki sekta mar modhi kod mauta mopong' kod mibadhi mamiyo bech mwandugo idho kinde ka kinde.
As indicated by perhaps it bounced back last year to enhance enforcement in this sector.
So far we have re-evaluated 54 LPG sites out of the 138 we have licensed. These 54 sites were previously audited and found to be high risk or risky. We have a scoring criteria, so these are sites whose HSE score was below 60%. The reopening of these sites is conditional. They must implement the corrective action plans they have been given until they reach the 60% mark. And we'll continue monitoring to ensure that these sites are fully compliant.
We need to deploy advanced technology for monitoring and surveillance of the supply chain to help in early detection of illicit activities. I want to urge the players in the sector to take advantage of the existing infrastructure of the National Government Administration officers as coordinators of regular inspections and surveillance exercises at the county levels owing to their reach. So the ministry has a presence up to the lowest level. Our officers also need to be trained, they need to understand the law, they need to be able to be mentally equipped. So it's not just a question of walking into a facility and closing it. You must be able to explain to the operators why you are closing it. If they have violated certain provisions of the laws, it's important that they are made aware.